Hey everyone, welcome back in to Not Your Father's Capital. I'm Mark Anthony. I appreciate you all for stopping by. I want to share with you guys what is going on with Cardano right here, right now, because I think what we lose track of is where a token or a coin is actually at on the charts, okay? And because a lot of people look in a long term, they have different outlooks. Some people are long term, some people are short term. But as it relates to Cardano, we all have different basically needs when it comes to investing and investing in Cardano. So and these goals are what you can keep it with your own personal investment strategies, but I want to share with you guys kind of where the masses are as it relates to Cardano. Okay, so you're not going to want to miss this. Absolutely stay around to the end of this video and smash the like button. And if you have not joined us here at Not Your Father's Capital, please consider subscribing. It does help the channel grow and keep you up to date with crypto news and information. Okay, now I do want to preface this by saying this is not financial advice. Please do your own research with all things crypto, all things financial. And Cardano investors are losing big. Almost 80% of Cardano investors are out of the money. Now, I do want to share with you guys a story for those of you that watch me on the regular. You guys all know the price points that I bought Cardano in, and I've dollar cost averaged down from. Cardano is one of my largest holdings, probably number 2 right now in my wallets, and I have bought Cardano as high as $2.99. So don't look at this as a form of FUD or anything, because I am right there with you guys watching this video. All right, so here we are when we talk about Cardano, down 80% for users that have invested in Cardano. Okay, so basically 80% are out of the money. Now we talk about out of the money relative to where the price is right now and where we've seen a lot of the volume, and this is what you can follow with a lot of on-chain data. And this is why it's good to watch all of these data firms and all this compilation of data when we look at basically compiling our think tank when we look at making a move on a crypto. All right, but now being 80% of the holders out of the money, you would think that this was basically going to just die and fizzle out. Okay, but that is 3.44 million wallet addresses holding almost 26.85 billion ADA, almost $9.5 billion USD at this current price level. Okay, so that is something to wrap your head around, because look how many wallet addresses are there. Look how much money is out there. That is almost $10 billion, guys, if we round up. All right, that is absolutely insane that that community level will stick around, hold Cardano, not just because they're in the red, but also just being out of the money. It means you believe in Cardano. And that is where I think you got to have this as a very interesting tidbit when you look at Cardano, because we saw Cardano sniff up that 50 cents level, okay? And obviously, it has just been sideways. The trading volume, the staleness, the stagnancy that has lied within Cardano is just basically waiting for us to break out of this bear market, because honestly, Cardano doesn't have that catalyst that is just going to spark the masses. It's not. It's going to take that low and slow approach, that gradual approach that Hoskinson deploys, where you're going to just gradually gain momentum, gain investors. And that's kind of why you have 80% of your holders out of the money still sticking around. Okay, if 80% of the holders did not believe in Cardano, they would be out. This would not be 9.5 billion. They would have sold off, they would have harvested those losses, and they would be out of Cardano completely. But I personally think they believe in the project. So that is where you fall within this basically purgatory of making money and believing in a crypto project. So that is where we're at right now, okay? And I think that with the proper tailwinds surrounding Cardano and eventually getting into Voltaire further and just believing in Hoskinson and his team to come up with the plan to get us where we need to go, and we get positive sentiment from regulators surrounding crypto, I think Cardano is right where it needs to be, okay? Because that truthfully is where I think a lot of people are in Cardano. They are in at these levels, and they do not plan on selling, okay? So that's what I got for you in this video. I hope you found some value to what I share with you. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, consider subscribing. And I appreciate you all for stopping by and checking it out. So thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.